Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Monzo as a personal bank. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a range of features and benefits to help you manage your finances effectively. To get started, you will need to download the Monzo app from the App Store and sign up for an account. First, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to verify your identity by providing a valid form of identification, such as a passport or driver's license. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be given a Monzo debit card that you can use to make purchases and withdraw cash. The Monzo app allows you to track your spending in real time, categorize your transactions, and set budgets for different areas of your life. You can also use the app to send and receive money, pay bills, and transfer funds to other accounts. One of the key features of Monzo is its ability to provide instant notifications when you make a purchase or withdraw cash. To manage your account effectively, it is essential to set up budgeting categories and track your spending regularly. You can also use the app to freeze your card if it is lost or stolen, and you can order a replacement card if necessary. Monzo also offers a range of savings features, including the ability to set savings goals and earn interest on your savings. In terms of security, Monzo uses advanced encryption and secure servers to protect your data. You can also use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. If you have any issues or concerns, Monzo offers a 24/7 customer support service that you can contact via the app or by phone. To get the most out of Monzo, it is essential to use the app regularly and take advantage of its features and benefits. By tracking your spending, setting budgets, and using the app to manage your finances, you can gain a better understanding of your financial situation and make informed decisions about your money. Overall, Monzo is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. And by following these steps, you can start using it as your personal bank today.